My name is Story Klümper, and I am a managing partner in the 8th generation at Klümper.
My name is 𝗪𝗲𝗿. I am the technical director and have been working here for 35 years at Klümper and 𝗪𝗲𝗿.
My name is 𝗪𝗲𝗍𝗿. I've been with Weber for several years now, and I'm responsible for our key accounts in Germany.
Klümper is known for its high-quality products. We specialize in spice coatings. It's always exciting to launch new products and to keep driving innovation into the raw ham segment.
The end customer should be able to remove the slice with ease. It also needs to have a relatively long shelf life in the package, and we achieved that with our new line. After all, we are dealing with a raw, natural product that is relatively irregular in shape and difficult to slice. Weber provided the best system configuration, including a scanner and a press upstream.
Weber has been working with servo technology for over 40 years, which allows us to press more precisely than conventional hydraulic presses.
As a result, we were able to reduce our overall compressed air consumption by 10%. That's quite significant considering it accounts for the entire production.
Here we can see our first wee press in operation, and it is clearly visible that the operator can manually load products from the side. The wee press offers many advantages to customers, not only due to servo-controlled pressing, but also because setup is completely tool-free.
Low maintenance and easy cleaning are always very important to us.
After the pressing process, the next step is WeScan. The key advantage of WeScan is that products are scanned with millimeter precision and subsequently weighed. This allows us to determine in advance how the product needs to be sliced to achieve the target weight. We are processing products in the high-end segment here. That means slicing as efficiently as possible. Here we have a slicer with Vario technology. This means the product is fed to the blade independently of each lane, allowing precise weight slicing per lane.
Performance and speed are also key factors for us. In this regard, Weber convinced us to switch to dual-lane slicing. This results in cleaner slicing, higher speed, and better throughput. Weber's consulting expertise was essential for us.
In the past, raw ham was always sliced in a single lane. It wasn't possible to slice it in 2 lanes because the blade width was limiting. Now that Weber manufactures its own blades, two-fold slicing has become standard. Customers immediately benefit from higher performance at the same footprint. No attachments are required. We use our smart in-feeder to distribute from 2 lanes to 3 lanes fully automatically and group them into the desired format, 3.2. Now we see our WePack 7000. It is equipped with a large roll unwinder, including web edge control and automatic regulation. The advantage for the customer is that the film always runs smoothly through the machine. In this case, the 2 sealing stations are separated because the customer runs 2 formats. Switching between formats is done via program selection. No setup required.
Having everything from a single source means there is no need to manage interfaces and coordination between different manufacturers.
For us, the investment and transition were absolutely worthwhile, as we can now produce more efficiently and at higher quality in the long term.
Online support is available for all machines. Weber support can remotely access the machines from anywhere. If a more serious issue occurs, we'll have it resolved within an hour and a half with a service technician on site. Since this was a comprehensive project, we had a single point of contact for all system components. That was a very positive aspect of this project.
We know we have a strong partner by our side and reliable support. Even if something doesn't work, we can always count on Weber.